Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 16th question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 16 reads, function h is defined by h of x equals 4x plus 28. In the graph, y equals h of x, and the xy plane has the x-intercept at a0, y-intercept at 0b, where a and b are constants. What's the value of a plus b? I'm going to show you how to solve this by hand, but stick around. Desmos solution is actually easier. If the x-intercept is a0, then in place of x, I'm going to put a. In place of y, I put 0. So 0 equals 4x plus 28. And actually, in place of this, I should put a. So we'll call that a. And then here, if you subtract 4a from both sides, 4a's cancel here. That's a 4a. You get negative 4a equals 28. Divide negative 4, divide negative 4. And your a equals negative 7. What's your b? Y-intercept is 0b. So now 0 is in place of x, b is in place of y. So b equals 4 times 0 plus 28. b equals 0 plus 28. So b equals 28. And then your a plus b is going to be negative 7 plus 28, which is going to give you 21. But check it out. Desmos solution is actually easier. When we go to Desmos over here, you could see your x-intercept. You can't see your y-intercept. Make sure you zoom out. Hit this minus to the upper right. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There it is. 28 plus negative 7 once again is 21. Lastly, I don't recommend using Desmos in this way, but this is another thing that you should know. When you've got an equation up here, hit the gear and choose the table. Here you can see that the y-intercept is 28. If you want the x-intercept, notice this goes lower as the x gets smaller, the y or the h of x is getting smaller as well. So if I do negative 3 and then that doesn't give it to me, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, whoops, I meant to say negative 6. And then negative 7. Boom. There it is. So, once again, your answer here is 21. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who doesn't know how to use Desmos in order to do this, or doesn't know that you just, whenever you have a coordinate equation, just plug those coordinates into the equation. If there's any question you'd like answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Actually, check it out on YouTube. If you go to the playlist for Ivy Masters Learning Center, the shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. Have a great day.